Yeah, welcome back to my latest video, and this is going to a short video. And today I'm going to give a small demo on how to use .NET Nano framework. Right. So basically, it is a Nano framework of .NET. When I say Nano, it is a very smaller runtime, .NET runtime that will be running on your devices. Right. There are many IoT devices like a Raspberry Pi Pico, which is added newly, Raspberry Pi, and the demo that I'm going to show you is for ESP32 WROOM board. Right. So that is my board, and I will tell you step by step how to get starting. Okay, so this is nanoframework.net, nanoframework.net, that site. Okay, this is wonderful project where you can run your managed code, C# code on IoT devices, right? So in my demo today, I'm going to blink the onboard LED of ESP32, and I will walk you through how to do that, right? So before that, please make sure you install this utility nanoff, and also install the extension, right? If you have Visual Studio Community Edition like I do have, it is free. You can download it. Okay, so this is the extension that you need to install. After installing, you may have to restart Visual Studio. Okay, so once that is installed, create a project. You select .NET Nano Framework. Okay, so once that is done, make sure you are seeing your device, connected device, and also before that, please make sure you are connected to COM port. Your device is connected to COM port. If not, download the driver from Silicon Labs, right? CP210. So download that driver if it is not getting detected, right? And you can also see your device from view other windows. Okay, right now the code is running, so that is why you're not seeing. You can see the stop button, right? That means the code is running. So in Device Explorer, you can see your device which is connected, right? So yeah, so like you can see that, right? ESP32 Rev0. So that is the device related. So all you have to do is make sure you update the firmware, right? And nanoff hyphen target ESP32 underscore Rev0 hyphen update serial port, and mention the serial port of your device that is connected to your system. Okay, and also make sure you do not install latest packages, .NET NuGet packages. Okay, so this is the package you need to put. Okay, so let me open that. Right now the code is running. So basically, don't install the latest package. Please make sure install the latest latest stable one, right? Don't install the latest package. Okay, so that's it, and you can download the sample code if you are interested. There are sample code in Nano Framework repository, right? And this is the sample code for ESP32. Okay, and the onboard LED is at pin 2. That is why I referred pin 2. Okay, and that's it. You are ready to build your .NET Framework sketch for your ESP32 device, right? In my case, it is ESP32 WROOM board that is available in India. So, and this is the device name that is directed. Okay, and that's it. You can just hit the play button, and your code will be running. Okay, so I'm sharing the output of that video from my device. All right, I hope you would have liked it. If you liked it, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching. And I will come up more ESP32 and C#